I will show how to manipulate the UV layout of a cube. The cube will have some interesting bent strips. Blender is a free 3D graphics program and Ucupaint will be used as well. You will learn more about Ucupaint at the same time. We start with a cube and then launch Ucupaint to make a material. The background is yellow. The first layer is a solid red. We now make a mask. Choose wave to make a stripe pattern. Note that the vector chosen is UV and that means that a UV layout will be used. The scale of the stripes can be adjusted. Let's show just the stripes on the front face. To avoid fuzziness, I will choose the ramp modifier and make adjustments. I choose the constant interpolation of the ramp since it will allow the display of only two colors, red and yellow. A UV layout is created automatically for a cube. We can see this layout in the Layout workspace. Be sure that the Synchronize icon is switched on so the mesh and the UV layout are synchronized. Let's scale the UV layout to see the effect. The change is difficult to see. In the Object mode, create a second cube. We see its UV layout. Select both cubes and go to Edit mode. We can see both UV layouts. The first cube has clearly a smaller UV layout. We give the second cube the same material as the first cube. In the Object mode, choose the second cube first and then the first cube. Note they are both highlighted a bright orange. Ctrl-L to link the material. The material looks the same on both, however there is a difference that can be observed by changing the scale of the wave mask. We choose both objects and go to Edit mode. Note that by scaling the second object's UV layout to overlap the other UV layout, we can make the stripes the same width on both objects. Choose one vertex on the second object and stretch it out to the side. This creates bent stripes. Do this to several other vertices and you get an interesting effect. Note that if we place more loops in the cube, the material doesn't change at all. However, if we extrude a face, then the colors at the edge are continued. This is something we normally try to avoid. Thanks for watching.